of every math educator. Yes, today I am going to explain areas. Okay, find the area of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and also deduce the area of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. Right. So given ellipse is the standard equation of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So what the diagram initially? Look at this. Yeah, this one is x-axis, y-axis. Yeah, x dash and y dash. What is this? A dash, and B dash. This one is a comma 0. This one is center. Yeah, 0 comma 0. So here, yes, x varies from 0 to a. X limits ready. Okay, this one is y because this one is the standard diagram. Right. Now area. This one is a first area. Yeah, like this. How many parts are there? So this one 2, 3, 4 parts are there. Why? Because ellipse is symmetric about both the axes. Okay, right? Yes. Now from the equation we don't know the value of y directly. Why? Because the area bounded by the region y is equal to f of x, x-axis, and the ordinates x is equal to a comma x is equal to b is given by integration a to b, okay, right, f of x and dx, or integration a to b, okay, y into dx. So we don't know y value directly, so we can find the y value from the given equation. So x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. That implies y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. Now this implies, yeah, y square by b square is equal to, LCM is equal to how much? A square. So this one is a square minus x square. So that implies y square is equal to, yeah, b square by a square into a square minus x square. Okay, so this implies y is equal to, yeah, root over, yes, b by a whole square into, yes, a square minus x square. So this one is root over b by a whole square into root over a square minus x square. So this one cancel. So this is equal to b by a into root over, yes, a square minus x square. Okay, so this one is y value ready. Okay, step 1 ready. Step 1 is, okay, we can find the y value from the given curve. Yes, y is equal to b by a root over a square minus x square ready. Now limits ready. Step 2 limits ready. Now, yes sir. Yeah. Now required area is equal to, how many areas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is symmetric about both the axes. You have 4 into, yes, integration x is equal to 0 to a and y dx. Clear now guys? Okay. Now, so this is equal to 4 into integration x is equal to 0 to a, yes, y. Y is equal to how much? B by a into, okay, right, root over a square minus x square into dx. So this is equal to 4b by a. Why? Because b by a is independent of this integration. B by a into integration, yes, x is equal to 0 to a root over, yes, a square minus x square into dx. Okay guys. Now we have the formula integration, yes, root over a square minus x square into dx is equal to x by 2 into root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into a sin inverse of x by a plus c. This is the formula. Integration root over a square minus x square into dx is equal to okay, right, x by 2 into root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. This is the formula, right? So now, so required area is equal to 4 into, right? So this value is equal to how much? This one, x by 2 into root over, yes, a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into, yeah, sin inverse of x by a. Actually, limits are 0 to 8. X is equal. Now this implies, one second, this one is 4b by a. This one, 4b by a, not 4. So this implies, yeah, 4b by a into upper limit. Upper limit is equal to a. Yes, a by 2 into root over a square minus a square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of a by a. This one is upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit is equal to 0. Yes, 0 by 2 into root over a square minus 0 square. X is equal to 0, right? Plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of 0 by a. That's it. Okay. So this implies 4b by a. Yeah. Now, so a square minus a square 0. 0 into a by 2 is equal to 0. Right. Plus a square by 2 into, yeah, sin inverse 1. This value 0. 0 into, okay, total value is equal to 0. Right? Yeah. That's it. Okay? 0 into this one is equal to 0. Sin inverse 0, 0. This value is equal to 0. Lower limit is equal to 0. So this implies, yeah, 4b into a square by, okay, 2a into sin inverse 1. Okay, so here sin 90 is equal to 1. Right? So 90 is equal to sin inverse of 1. Sin inverse 1 is equal to how much? 90. Okay. So here 1a cancel and 2 into 2 4 cancel. What will get? Okay, pi ab, yes, square units. So with respect to board point of view, this one is the area of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Also deduce the area of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. This is the board question, right? Very important and gunshot also. So given ellipse is this one. The standard graph is equal to this one. Okay. So how many areas are center is equal to 0, 0, vertices is equal to a, 0, and this one is, yeah, minus a, 0, and this one is 0, b, and this one is 0, minus b. Right. After all, we have board point of view. Right. So first step 1 is we don't know the function directly. Okay. So we can write y value from the equation x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So here x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. From this equation y square by b square is equal to this one. Yes, we can write it like this. Y is equal to b by a into root over a square minus x square. Y ready. Step 1 ready. Function ready. Now limits. This one is a standard graph. Okay, no need to find limits directly. Simply remember this. Okay, x varies from 0 to a. Plus limits ready. Step 2 ready. Now step 3 formula. Required area is equal to how many values, how many areas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. First we have to concentrate only first quadrant. Alright. So multiply that area with 4, we get total area. 4 into integration x is equal to 0 to a y dx. Y is equal to how much? B by a into root over a square minus x square. So 4b by a, b by a is independent of this integration. 4b by a into integral x is equal to 0 to root over a square minus x square. But here remember this formula, integration root over a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 into root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. This is the formula. Remember this. Okay, right? X by 2 into root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. Required area is equal to 4b by a into formula directly. Now upper limit, put x is equal to a. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit x is equal to a by 2 into root over a square minus a square plus a square by sin inverse of a by a. Lower limit is equal to put x is equal to 0. 0 by 2 into root over this one a square minus 0 square. Okay. Plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of 0 by a. So 4b by a, this total value is equal to 0. This value. Why? Because 0. A square minus a square is equal to 0. Right? 0. Right? And this one is a square by 2 into sin inverse 1. Sin 90 is equal to 1. So 90 is equal to sin inverse of 1. So that's why this value is automatically 0. 0 is something 0. Sin inverse 0, 0. Right? Sin 0, 0. Right? So 4b into a square, okay, 2a into sin 90 is equal to 1. So 4 cancel, a cancel, pi a square. So simply remember this here. This is the board. What about complementary track? Simply remember this. The area of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is pi ab square units. Okay. Area of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is pi ab square units. And one more question given here. Also deduce the area of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. Simply put b is equal to a. Put b is equal to a. In the above equation, what we will get? Required area is equal to yes pi a into a. This is equal to yes pi a square. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Pi into r means radius. So here radius is equal to a. That's it. This is very important for board. Okay guys. Look at the board. Find the area enclosed between the curves y square is equal to 4x and y square equal to 4 into 4 minus x. This is also very important question. Right. So here y square equal to 4x and y square equal to 4 into 4 minus x. Two curves given. Limits not given. The previous question is ellipse is standard diagram. So it is easily to find the value of y. Step 1 ready. Step 2 limits ready. So that is a different issue. But here two curves given. Limits not given. First to find the limits and draft graph. Okay. So here look at the board. X axis and y axis. Right? This one is 0. Right? Y square equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax. Right? Look at this. Y square is equal to 4x graph is just like this. Y square equal to 4x. Standard parabola this one. Yes. Now that's why like this. This graph is completed. Now what about second graph? So y square is equal to 4 into 4 minus x. Okay guys. So here y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4x. It is passing through origin 0, 0. Right. So here this one is equal to taking minus common here 4 into x minus 4. Negative. So that means y square is equal to minus 4x mod. So this one is just like this. If the vertex is 0, 0, then like this, touches y axis at 0. This one is 0. This one is 0. But here this one is not a standard parabola. Okay, x minus 4 is there. So the curve intersected like this. So this one is x minus 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Just like this. Understood? So this one is 4 comma 0. I repeat. Okay. So here y square is equal to 4ax. So that means y minus 0 whole square is equal to 4a into x minus 0. It is intersect at this one. Okay, 0 comma 0. Okay, this is the standard. But this one is y square is equal to minus 4 into x minus 4. It is intersect x axis at 4 comma 0. So required area is equal to this one. Okay, diagram completed. But what are the limits? Okay, first limits not given. Sir, 0 to 4 no. Okay, I accept it. But these two curves are intersecting at particular values like this. This one is no. Okay, so solve those two equations. Y square is equal to 4x and the y square is equal to 4 into 4 minus x. These two values are equal. So 4x is equal to 4 into 4 minus x. Y square is equal to y square. Now 4 cancel. So what will get? X is equal to 4 minus x. So this implies x plus x is equal to 4. That implies 2x is equal to 4. That implies x is equal to 2. Indirectly, those two curves intersecting at x is equal to 2. This point is occurred 2. Okay, guys. So, limits ready. Limits mean 0 to 2 and 2 to 4. Two areas are there. Okay. 0 to 2 this curve, 2 to 4 this curve. Bus. Okay, right? Yes. Now. So required area is equal to integration. Okay, x is equal to 0 to 2 this area, this graph. This one is equal to how much? This one is equal to y square is equal to 4x. That implies y is equal to how much? Root 4x. Okay, right, root 4x. Y dx first curve. Okay. C1 dx. C1 means first term, right? Plus integration 2 to 4, second curve C2 dx, right? This is the first curve C1 and this one is C2. Simple. Okay, right? So this one is integration. X is equal to 0 to C1 dx. This one 0 to 2. 0 to 2 means this curve. Okay, plus C to 2 to 4. 2 to 4 means this curve. Yes. But here, okay, this area is covered. What about this area? It is symmetric. Parabola, ellipse are symmetrical, both the axes. It is symmetric about positive x-axis. Okay, right. This curve. So that's why 2 into 2 is very important. Why? Because this area is also covered. Right? Just mainly parabola, ellipse. Okay, very important. Parabola wise 2. Okay, right. Ellipse 4. Bus. So here this is equal to into integration x is equal to 0 to 2. Yes. C1 means y is equal to root 4x. Root 4x into dx. Plus integration 2 to 4. What about second curve? Second curve is equal to this one. This implies y square is equal to 4 into root over 4 minus x. Right. Sorry. 4 into 4 minus x. So y is equal to root over 4 into 4 minus x. So root over 4 into 4 minus x into dx. That's it. So this is equal to 2 into integration x is equal to 0 to 2. Root 4 means 2 into root x. This one is root x. Of course, root 4x is equal to root 4 into root x. Right. So this value is equal to root 4 into root x into dx. Plus integration 2 to 4. Root 4 means 2. Sorry. Right, one more step. Root 4 into root over, yes, 4 minus x into dx. Okay, now yeah. So required area is equal to 2 into yes, root 4 is equal to 2. 2 into integration 0 to 2. Yes. Root x means x power 1 by 2 into dx. Right? Plus root 4 is equal to 2. 2 into integration 2 to 4. Yes. 4 minus x whole to the power of 1 by 2 into dx. Yes. So we have the formula integration x power n into dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus. This is the formula. Right? And one more formula integration, yes, f of x whole to the power of n into f dash of x into dx is equal to how much? F of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus integration f of x whole power n into f dash of x into dx is equal to f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So derivative of f of x is equal to how much? F dash of x. Guys. So this is equal to 2 into right. Here taking 2 common totally. So this implies 2 into 2 into right. Now applying the formula x power yes 1 by 2 plus 1 by yes 1 by 2 plus 1 limits are 0 to 2. Okay, right. Now what about this one? Yeah, what the derivative of 4 minus x? Okay, derivative of 4, 0. Derivative of minus x, minus 1. But minus is not there. According to applying the formula, integration f of x whole power n into f dash of x into dx is equal to f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Derivative nature of this type of integration, whatever the integration nature is very important, right? So here we have to concentrate the derivative of f of x is equal to f dash of x is there or not. That is very important. So here derivative of f of x is equal to f dash of x. Now applying this formula f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here derivative of 4 minus x is equal to derivative of 4 is equal to 0 and derivative of minus x is equal to minus 1. So minus is not there. That's why this can be rearranged into minus. Integration 2 to 4. 4 minus x whole to the power of 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into yes minus 1 into dx. That's of course there is no change the value minus into minus plus. Why? Because okay to apply the formula integration f of x whole power n into f dash of x into dx is equal to f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Right? So now this is equal to 4 into this one is 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. Yes, this implies 2 by 3. Yes, x to the power of 3 by 2 limits are 0 to 2 minus. Now this one is 4 minus x whole to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by yes 1 by 2 plus 1 limits are 2 to 4 according to this formula. Right? So this is equal to 4 into yes 2 by 3 into upper limit 2 to the power of 3 by 2 minus lower limit 0 to the power of 3 by 2. Yes, minus 2 by 3. This also 2 by 3. Yes, upper limit 4. 4 minus 4 whole to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, minus right? X is equal to 4 minus 2 whole to the power of yes 3 by 2. That's it. Okay, right? Now listen better. Find the area enclosed between the curves two curves given. This one is very important. Yes, y square equal to 4x. Standard graph this one. Y square is equal to 4 into 4 minus x. It is intersecting at a distance of 4 units from the right side. Okay, right. So y is like this. This one is also y square equal to 4 into why, because y square is equal to, yes, 4 into 4ax. It is symmetric positive x axis. But here 4 minus x is there. Actually, this one is y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. First value is x, but here 4 minus x is there. That's why it is symmetric about the negative y axis. Okay, yes. That's why graph is just like this. Graph ready, number 1. Number 2 is what are the limits? Okay, intersecting for what values of x? So that's why, okay, solving these two, y square equal to y square, just like this. After calculation, we get the value x is equal to 2. So two curves are intersecting at x is equal to 2. Whatever the values, don't concentrate that point of intersection. It's a time taken. Right. So required area is equal to 0 to 2 to 4. Right? Okay. In integration 0 to 2 first curve into dx plus 2 to 4 into second curve into dx. Right. So it is twice. This area is covered. Whatever this area, it is covered by 2. 2 into like this. 2 into integration 0 to 2. C1 is equal to root 4x first curve. 2 to 4 second curve is equal to like this. This one. Root 4 root AB is equal to root A into root B. Root 4 into root x into dx plus root 4 into root over 4 minus x into dx. Okay, guys. Now, so this value is equal to 2 into root 4 is equal to 2. Root 2 square. So this one is root x is equal to x to the power of 1 by 2 into dx plus root 4 is equal to 2. Now 2 to 4, 4 minus x 1 to the power of 1 by. Now we have two formulas are there. Integration x power n into dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. And one more formula, integration f of x whole power n into f dash of x into dx is equal to f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n. Whatever the formula, nature is very important. You have to concentrate. Derivative of f of x is equal to not f of x whole to the power of n, only derivative of f of x is equal to f dash of x. Is it there or not? If it is there, then apply this formula. Otherwise, don't apply this formula. You don't have any right. Right. So that's why. So apply that formula. X power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. And this one is, we can arrange. Why? Because the derivative of 4 is equal to 0, derivative of minus x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is not there. That's why we can arrange this one. Minus into minus plus. There is no change of value. So then apply this formula. Okay, guys. So this one is required area is equal to 4. 4 into 2 by 3 common. 4 into 2 by 3 common. Yes. So 2 to the power of 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus this value 0 minus into 1 plus, okay, plus this one is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 3 by 2. Now this one is equal to 8 by 3 into, yes, this one is 2 to the power of 3 by 2 common, 3 by 2, yes, this one is 1 plus 1. Now this is equal to 8 by 3 into 2 into 2 to the power of 1 by 2. Bases are equal, power should be added. What do we get? 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 into 2. Now, this one is 2 2s are 4. 32. Okay. 8 4s are 32. 32 by 3 into, okay, 2. This is the answer. Is it a 3 cancel? No, it is not a mathematics. So 32 by 3 into 2. 8 into 4 better this one. Okay, 32 by 3 into 2. This is the answer. Okay. Yes. Thank you, guys.